I've not always been mad, you know, but I was actually driven mad by the indifference of architects and council planners. You see, I live in a tower block, and the thing about those is there's a terrible noise problem because there's no noise insulation at all. You know, and 8 floors below you, there's always some bastard who's got a Yamaha home organ, you know. You're just about to go to sleep and you hear this. And, like, the people who live upstairs from me, I can't understand what they're doing, you know. I listen, and all I can hear is this weird noise, and it goes vroom, vroom, blam, blam, vroom, vroom, blam, blam. It sounds like 2 elephants on a motorbike riding round and round, while a seal bangs a kipper on the table. I went upstairs to complain, and the door was answered by this elephant in a crash helmet. Standing behind him is this seal going, "What is it now, I don't know, it's just something cracked inside, you know, and I started thinking I was a piece of sponge, you know, and I just started getting very depressed, and I just got all the way down, you know, all the way, and I just got...